Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start smart device, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,